we're going to see if we can catch some catfish. Look at Colin with his new rod he won in the fishing tournament. So let's go on an adventure. This is wooden swings, a wooden giant fish that's got a slide coming out of his mouth, and it's got pretty much a mini playground out there. So, alright, y'all, here it is. We definitely gotta check it out. This park I was talking about, pretty dope area. Got swings here, and here's the giant fish with the slide coming out of his mouth. Big cable to the side. Oh, it splits off. Small section to the right there, then it converges up here to the top. Big inside of the Haw River over here. Yeah. Cool little place, right? Slide up in there. Close to the hand. Climb. Spider web over there. Not a lot of fish. Ooh, got the stroller, got a clamp on my GoPro, so we'll be out here hanging out, fishing. Awesome fish. Still want to catch a big catfish. Our goal this summer is to catch a catfish over what, Parker? What? 10 pounds. We want to try to catch a big catfish. So We've all had fun. We're ready to go, right?
Heel.
Yeah, Mimi's had enough.
Oh my gosh.
She's had enough.
We're going.
All right, sayonara, Haw River. Until next time. Oh, Parker, you got it? Tomorrow we're gonna go to your class party. You got it, Parker?
Going around the corner. He's trying to catch up to Parker.
Get up.
He's going around the outside edge. He's going up. My pants are falling down because I got too much stuff in it. It's too dark. Let me get your food. Don't fall, Parker. Don't fall. Eat Arthur.
There he is. Parker did a good job on the water. We'll start. Please be careful. Those hooks on the end. Whew. Shoo-wee. Was that cool, Mia? Did you like that? Did you like that?
Doing a video. Come on.